Alrighty guys, for today's instruction we have the cheap ceiling fan here. The word blades and pull chain is broken, but I wired it straight to, I believe, high. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it spins relatively fast, so we'll get a good destruction out of it. So this will be today's destruction, ceiling fan destruction number 3. And so I have it wired and plugged into a pull chain over here. So we'll be setting the camera up over there. I have a light right there because I'm not doing this with the light on it because I don't want glass everywhere in here. Too lazy to clean it up right now. And I will find a way to do more ceiling fan destructions outside. I just need like some kind of brace to mount them on. But anyway, so we'll get on with the destruction because that's what you guys came to see. So let me set you guys up here. Fucking phone on the charger. So you can see right there, should be good. All right. Turn on. The motor also has a loud hum to it, and I find it really annoying, but whatever. Anyway, so our choice of weapons, I don't even think we'll be able to get through all of them. Hockey stick. We have a piece of metal tube, conduit, a metal pole from a cheap stand fan, and one of these metal brackets from a cardboard wardrobe or whatever you would call it. I don't know. Anyway, so this will actually, I have this stupid tube on the floor from a portable air conditioner I want to throw in there. It's a hose attached to it, of course. Get that out of here. Alright, just toss that up in there. That did jack shit. Anyway, we're just gonna go straight at it. The hockey stick first. Doesn't like that too much. Oh boy. Now it's making another noise. Ooh. That was a good one. Still rattle and roll out. Chip the wood. And no, I didn't flip the blades to the cane side because the blades will be warped up and they'll start hitting stuff up there, so can't do that. Alright, now short range, the little pipe conduit. This thing seems like it slowed down a lot with the pitch in the blades. This thing's so cheap. Oh, come on. That was a hard hit. Oh, jeez. I messed it up on the top. That was relatively hard hit. Alright, hockey stick time again. Oh, jeez. This thing is getting screwed up pretty good. Piece of wood just flew off. Make sure everything's still good with the video over here. Yeah, we're good. Got some in my mouth. Alrighty. Wonder how we could do some more destruction. See, I don't want to hit it and the blade fly off somewhere because there's a lot of pipes down here. But at the same time, that would be very fun. Well, the cane just came off of one of the blades. It was that one right there. It just completely flew off in one piece. How funny is that? Look at this. It just completely came off in one piece. That's funny. How about that shit? Fucking terrible. Oh, there goes one blade. Now we got 4. This might get a little crazy. I can't let it get too crazy though, because I don't have a great speed selection. I only have one speed to work with, and this thing can get out of control very easily. So I have to be mindful of that. Oh shit. Oh boy, I need to fix that. That ain't good. The ball I got halfway out of the mounting bracket. It's literally about to come through the mounting bracket. What the fuck? Okay. Let me plug this for a second so that the cord has more range so I can pull this through. Yeah, there we go. And put it back up where this piece of junk belongs and plug it back in and fire this bozo back up. Alright, on with the destruction. This thing is absolute dog crap. I feel like this is medium, but you never know. There goes the cane flapping off that one. Not again. Damn it. Yeah, the cane just came off that one too. See, this is what I hate about these stupid... Run into this bull crap all the freaking time. Keep having to fucking remount this damn thing. Oh, that's split right there. That's gonna come right down one more hit. Make sure the wiring is not getting fucked so I don't have nothing explode here. I want to whack that blade off because I don't feel safe with it. Oh shit, that ain't good. Hold on a minute. We knocked the wire nut off of the hot terminal, which this is a lot of complications in one video. See if I can edit this bull crap out. Where the fucking wire not go? You serious? I gotta get in that one. That one disappeared. My wire nuts are not downstairs. I just remembered they're up in the attic. So I think we'll have to find the one that fell off. Where in the heck did that thing go? Oh, there it is. Alright. Let's unplug that just in case. That back on there. Nice and tight. Make sure the neutral's tight. Okay. And now we will resume. How in the hell? I feel safe with that damn blade flailing like that. Fuck. Why won't it just break? There it goes. Now it's a 3-blade wonder. You can hear the blades, the screws are loose, so it's just kind of. God, every fucking time. It's always getting stuck like that. That is more than annoying, if you ask me. Oh my god. This time it's like stuck. Oh my lord. Fucking cheap ceiling fans. Okay. Wonder if we put it in reverse. Why is that like it? Oh boy. Now it's just even worse. That's not good. Saw that coming a mile away. Saw that shit spinning up and I was like, let's not short out. Oh dear lord. Look at that. Oh shit. Man, this destruction has gone nowhere good, huh? What in the... Oh god, this is a mess. Well, that is a huge mess. Well, we'll just leave it off. That was a... Okay, yeah, that wasn't very fun. But yeah, that just... We'll just break the blades off, and then I'll do a part 2 of this outside, and then after that I'll have probably another ceiling fan destruction coming outside, and it will be better than this. So god damn it, stupid ball. Well, that's part 1 of the ceiling fan destruction. I apologize for this going terrible, but anyways, better videos to come. This one was terrible, but yeah, so part 2 coming soon. Thanks for watching.